How to add Ask Me Anything story on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add Ask Me Anything story on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Snapchat account. Now to add that story, tap on the explore icon on your bottom page. Here search for Ask Me Anything. As you do so, you will see a lot of different filters. Tap on anyone that you would like. Once you do so, simply tap on Stories on your bottom. Then tap on Add. And now once this has been added to your story, to view it, tap on your Bitmoji. Scroll below and here you will see My Story. And then here you will be able to see Ask Me Questions. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.